Hi guys, so for this you'll need flour, oil, milk, eggs, salt. And I already had my flour in the bowl, and I always mix the solids first, or I try to, so the flour and the salt get mixed in together. And then the eggs, gradually the milk, and the oil.
Look, money talking, you don't need to speak. You got him, you never needed me. Want attention, gotta pay a fee. It's worth it, gotta wait to see. Look, it took a lot for me to be. Now anything I'm wanting, I achieve. It's a long way from.
And the reason why you don't add all the milk at once, it's so that you can just watch it slowly form into the batter that you want. I like mine to be a little heavier, so if you want yours to be really light, you can just pour it all in at once, but I wouldn't advise you to do that. It's just better to gradually mix it in. So as you can see here, it's more liquidy. And I use olive oil pan spray. Obviously you don't want your cups to stick onto the pan, so use some type of spray or butter or regular oil to grease your pan. And depending on how high or low your heat is, the cups can stay on the stovetop for about 3 minutes. That's how long I left mine for. And if you can't tell, I kind of used a lot of batter per serving.
Cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the money. Dollar bill, yo. Cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the money. Dollar bill, yo.
So there's two ways that I can put the powdered sugar on. And the first is how I'm going to do it now with my hands. That's just quick. And then the second way is I use that thing as kind of like a sifter. And then I just add whatever else, chocolate sauce, caramel sauce, whatever you want to put.